My Home Goods has stocked up on Halloween decor. So I just want to take you and show you just a few of my favorite ones. All right, so this sign when I came in, I don't know who has the space for this, but you have the space for this. It is so cute. So it's like a big archway. If you can see, there's like lighting in there. This is all like metal right here. It is $1,000, but like I said, it is a big, great piece. I don't know when you store this in the off season, but I loved it. They have everything just for Halloween right now. They have bed sheets. They have pillowcases. You can get this set of two pillowcases here for $8. They have throw pillows. They have a ton of stuff. This twin sheet set, and this is like for fall, but they have Halloween ones too. $15 for that right there. They have, like I said, throw pillows, just everything you need to decorate your home for Halloween. They have this throw blanket right here. $20 for that. Love this like sweater knit pillow. $20 for that. And you can see they have other ones. They have lanterns, and these have little skeleton heads in them. So $20 for those right there. And I believe it has like a little light feature on it. They have candles, they have picture frames, they have the items for the bathroom. So it's the soap dispensers and different things. $10 for this little pup right here with the little jack-o'-lantern. They have glasses for if you do your barware, different things like that. They have the little Hocus Pocus set, and this is a set of four, and these are like regular size drinking glasses. $15 for those. They have pins. They have just everything you need for Halloween right now. So $6 for those. So if you want to give your office a little makeover, these candle holders, they're like a plastic and they're just lightweight for like to taper candles. $15 for those, and you can use those for fall too. They have paper plates, napkins, all kind of different things for like parties and stuff. These little cat napkins right here, $5 for that set. These are little paper plates, which is super cute. $4 for those. I think you get 12 in those right there. They have other ones that you can just use. You can really use these for anything. $10 for this set right here. And it says that it is reusable. So you get 10 plates and those. They have like it's a whole little kit. So you'll get the napkins, you get the two different size plates, so 16 of each of those and 40 of the napkins. You're getting those right there. $15 for that set right there. They have puzzles. Just everything. So more than just the core, they have the Home Goods right now for Halloween. They have just everything. So this is like a spirit board puzzle that you can do. $10, and it comes in that cute container. You can see they have other options to pick from. Travel cups, if you like to do those disposable cups for different seasons and holidays, they have this set right here. $6 for those. Some great looking candles that you can grab. So $13 for this one right here. And it's just a simple black, but the detail in the top, just super pretty for the season. So yeah, they have other candles too that you can grab. This candle holder right here, kind of like a little Ferris wheel. $13 for that. So you can hold three candles up top of there on that one right there. This is just like a regular looking little candle, but it has like the details around the side. $8 for that. This little small Snoopy mummy plate set that you can grab, and that one is $4 for that. They have, even if you want to do crafts, like this little beading kit right here, so you can make like bracelets, different things. $10 for that, and they had other options in those too. Mugs that you can grab right now for the season, $8. But Home Goods is always great for mugs, but these are cute. They have the little top on it, like a little pumpkin. These little Rachel Zoe plates right here, so you can grab those. And I believe these might be reusable too, but $4 for those. This candle, loved it. Just the details in it, just super pretty, nice for the season. $13 for that right there. Like I said, they have a ton of great options. You can see this is kind of like a gray kind of color in that candle right there, and they kind of went with the plates too. Ton of skeleton decor. So this one right here is 150, but it's like a candy bowl, or you can put whatever you want in it. But just super cute. You could put that like maybe by your front door or something. They have this one right here, kind of like a little yoga pose, $60, and I believe it has like a little sound, the light feature on that one right there. A ton of front entryway decor. So like if you have a good nice patio space and you like to decorate, these little metal pieces right here. So $80 for this. You have a little bell hanging off of his hat. They have it in smaller versions. You see he has like a little horn in his mouth there. $50 for those. You can pair these together and make a cute little setup with those. These they have every year. Well, every year that I've seen, and you can use the top like a candy dish. $20 for that right there. They have these little hanging skeletons. Maybe you can hang these on your front door or around your home. They have a bunch of different versions. So this one has like cute little beading detail, $30 for that. This one is like a smaller version of that same one, $20 for that. But it has the same like cute little beading detail. They have like just the wood ones with just subtle paint details on it, $20 for that. This bigger one right here, and this is just a nice simple white for this one right here. But yeah, just a ton of different options. But $35 for that. They have the signage. So these are all lighted signage. But you can see they have different sizes in those right there. So they have the spooky one. So they have like a bigger one and then a smaller one, but the price wasn't that big of a difference. So $25 for that one. And you can see just the like the height difference on that one right there between that one and that one. And this one was only $30. So it's like a $5 difference or so for those. These like the little party signs that like go, like we call it a marquee. $25 for those right there. They have the Wicked Witch. They have just a bunch of cute little light signs that you can grab. These little metal bats you can grab right here. $13 for those right there. They have these cute little trays and a serve like a bowl. Super cute. So this is like a big tall skeleton. You can see you can put a ton of stuff in there, but then they have like a smaller like serving tray kind of one. The big one is $200 for that, and then they have this small little guy here, kind of like a tier tray too at the same time. So you can just think of some creative ideas with that to put on there. But $60 for that right there, and just a bunch of great details. A lot of these pieces reminded me of like high-end stores. So HomeGoods is a great place to find like high-end dupes. So you would probably find this at a high-end store for way more. Of course, a ton of mugs and everything like that. They have candle holders, different things. A lot of these we might not see the price on because they are on the bottom, which I think is so silly, especially when they pack it in like that and these things are heavy. But this little tray I thought was cute. So another little tier tray with just a simple detail for the season. It has like the gold, but if you can see, it has like a little skeleton with a crown on top, sitting up top there. They have a lot of cute little Jack skeleton things. So, or Nightmare Before Christmas, whatever you might call it. But $5 for that little plate there. These napkin holders, so pretty. So they have Nicole Miller. $13 for that. You can get a set of four, just the details in it, really pretty. This candle holder right here, really pretty, has like little bone details in it that I just thought was really, really nice. And again, given that high-end type look for just a less price, this tray right here, you can see it has like the skeleton hands holding it up. And of course, they have a lot of cute Disney stuff. So that's like a cookie holder, $30 for that. And then this tray right here, like I said, just great details in it. And the wood plays off the black really nice, $25 for that right there. And then these Lazy Susan trays that you can grab. I saw somebody leaving when I came in and they had like a Ouija board one. So your home goods might carry different ones, but these have like little skeleton details on it. $20 for those. And it's like a nice size. And this is just that big bowl skeleton that you can grab. I just wanted to show it empty because they have another one. This super cute. So it's another tier tray, but it's like a witch broom. And it's just cute how it's look like it's barely held up by the bristles, but it is nice and sturdy looking. More cute Nicole Miller napkin holders that you can grab. This didn't have a price on it, but just like a cute little container. And I'm thinking you would keep some kind of liquid and something in there. They have this cute little decor pieces. You can grab this for $13. Just a bunch of cute stuff. So you can decorate those tier trays too with a little pieces of decor. The wood jack-o'-lantern pieces I'm loving this season. I've saw a few. You can get them at Marshall's, HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, all of the places. Little stack books, and again, this has like either a light feature or a sound feature. $20 for that. Of course, they have the little witches and different things. These little glitter tree things, they have these mostly for every season, every holiday. I thought this one was super cute because it has a little face in it. So it has like the jack-o'-lantern face in it, and $17 for that. So that's just like an extra little detail. Of course, wreaths, you can grab a ton of those at HomeGoods. So you can see $40 for that one right there. They have a bunch of different options. You can get some with skeletons, some without skeletons. You can just get different styles. $20 for that one right there. This one has the little hands and the head, and it's just a nice neutral color. $30 for that one right there. This one is like super pretty. So it's like kind of have that girly look. And they have a few pieces that go with this too. So you can, if you like that color scheme for Halloween, you can do that. $20 for that right there. So yeah, you see these. Oh, it's just so pretty. The colors are so pretty. It just has that nice like whimsical look, but it's still doing Halloween. So it's kind of like that gingerbread house. And this has either a light feature or a sound feature on it too. $40 for that. And then these cute little witches, and they are $20, and they go with the little house too. This piece, super cute. So a little bowl, but it has a little skeleton hand to help display it. $17 for that. It looks really nice from the front too. More of the little pumpkins, like I said, you can get those every year. They have like different styles, different things. So you can put like candy and stuff in there. Maybe even a big candle. So you can grab that right there. The witch hats. I love the witch hats decor. So they're just like, it's something, they're just so pretty. So they have like the little floral details on it, and you can see like the light, like kind of web mesh on there. $25 for that one. And then they had this pretty white one right here, just so pretty. And it's a witch hat too, but $30 for that right there. So just a lot of pretty decor pieces that you can get to fit in with your style, with your personal style right now at HomeGoods. This you can use for Halloween, you can use for fall. They have these frequently at HomeGoods Fair, like every year, but this is just nice little glass piece of decor. So it's something simple. $20 for that one right there. The little Miss Frankenstein heads. I don't know if she has a name, but it's like a lady Frankenstein. $20 for that right there, and that again has a little sound or light feature on it. And more of those big pieces. Again, they put the prices on the bottom. So silly. If anybody's looking for HomeGoods, stop doing that on big pieces. It makes it a lot of work. But these would be cute for front doors. So it's the little tombstone. It has the little skeleton pieces. This little small one right here, you can put that on your shelf, on your table. $17 for that. And it looks like his eyes light up, but I'm not 100% sure. This was such a cute idea. So I'm thinking it's just like a candy dish, the little mummy, but somebody put like a faux plant in there, so you can use them as like planters or something like that. That'd be cute. We saw this at the beginning of the season when they started putting out this stuff, but they have this in different colors too. So if you don't like those bright colors, you can find this in like more of a muted color, but that same big piece. These are more of the metal pieces you can find. So these are like little jack-o'-lanterns, but they look like they're in a little band. So cute. They have like the matching little skeletons, and those are about $60. This like what do you call that, iridescent type skeleton, $17 for that. More beaded ones. They just have a ton of stuff. And HomeGoods, like I said, is a great place to find like high-end dupes. So they have all that high-end dupe barware that you can grab, and between $13, $10 most of the pieces were. But you can see they have with skeleton hands, they have with whole skeletons holding up the glasses. They have different types. So they have martini glasses, they have flutes, they have just different things that you can grab. The snake ones I like this year. I was big on the skeletons last year. The snake ones I like. So now this year you can see you have that glass, and then you can get a matching smaller drink glass. They have simple ones, which is like the black and the gold details. But yeah, you can make a nice little setup with your bar area this season. The smaller glasses you see are $8 for those, and you can see they have them in two different colors, so you can get kind of that black look, or you can get the clear. They have salt and pepper shakers. They just have everything you need right now for the Halloween season at HomeGoods. They have some great fall stuff too, but $13 for that set. They have the measuring spoons that you can grab to fit in with the season. $8 for those. They have containers. They have just a bunch of stuff. These little skeleton containers right here that you can grab for $13. You can see it's a decent size too, so you can fit like maybe I put my pods in containers and stuff. You can put your pods through for the season, like coffee pods and stuff. They have the little ghost there, $8 for that. This is so cute. So it's a little skeleton head. It's the bottle holder, so you put your like wine bottle or what have you in there. $25 for that. They have more of the hocus pocus stuff. So these are the little shot glasses, and you get all of those in this set for $10. Their HomeGoods is just stocked right now. This little piece, I've been seeing this go around the internet because different stores have different versions for different prices, but it is $10 here, and that's that other one. It's $20 that we saw, just a better look on it. More of the Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skeleton type pieces. So this is another little jar container. So her head comes off, and it's about that size. But the bottom there to store stuff in, $25 for that right there. This is kind of like a cake tray kind of display thing. So $30 for that. They have games that you can play. So they have like the skeleton Jenga block piece that you can grab, and that is $10 for that. So if you like to entertain for around this season, they have all the things. You can get the paper plates, napkins, games, all of that. They have this little set of dominoes, looks like bones, $7 for that. More napkins, $5 for that set right there. This little game, Boo or False. So it's like probably one of those little card games where you guess or say different things or what have you, but $6 for that. They have tote bags, and these are reasonably priced for tote bags. So you can grab this little one with the little bats, $6 for that. They have this one with the little snakes, $6 for this one right here. They have other prints. You can grab this one right here. So it's like kind of like that Ouija board type look on it. It's like a metallic gold, $8 for that. But they had a few different prints in those. More little pieces that you can just plop on your shelf for different things. But just, I think when they put these little bright colors on it, they're just so cute. So $15. And she has little hard shoes too. So the rest of her is soft, but her shoes are hard. They have these pieces right here. So candle holders, different things. Like I said, they have something to fit in with all of your styles right now. But $15 for that. This, the little the Headless Horseman, they have that right there that you can grab. They have more games. So this is a tic-tac-toe, so it'll come with the board, and you can just lay this out and play that. $13 for that. These cute candles, they had them in black and gold at my HomeGoods. $10 for those right there. They just have a ton of stuff. You could spend all day just looking through HomeGoods right now at their Halloween stuff. And like I said, I'm going to show the fall stuff and other stuff too, but I just want to focus on Halloween today. But $15 for that little sign. You can see his little legs hanging. More of that pretty mixture of like that girly look for Halloween. So $15 for that with a little pink glitter head. This little I can't think of it. It's, you know, that nursery rhyme, the old lady lived in the shoe. The old lady lived in the shoe. She has many children. She didn't know what to do. That gave me that vibe. But you know, for a Halloween, so $15 for that right there. These little signs, so cute. So they say witchy, and I think the other one said wicked. So you can grab that for $6.99. But yeah, check out HomeGoods right now for Halloween decor.